Hey all, Ankit Kisore this side from Austria Fleet and I welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this is the position I have taken right now, and this is a strangle of 650C and 450P, means a strangle of 200 points. Okay, but from here this C is just 75 points away and this is now 125 points away. So I will do few adjustment, not now, because still the premiums are quite equibalanced. In terms of premium it is quite equibalanced, but in terms of strike price it is not equivalent. So what I will be doing, as in when it will cross 5.8 or something like that, then I will be shifting this 50% of it, this to 17500. Okay, as of now this is the wait, this is the analogy of mine. Wait, और ये अभी यहाँ पे है, तो इस पे अगर देखा जाए इंडेक्स पे, तो अभी मार्केट इस जोन पे, जब तक इसका हाई, ये तो मैंने प्रीमियम पे पहले बता दिया. सेकंड थिंग, जब अब मैं अगर चार्ट पे बताऊँ, सो टिल द पॉइंट इधर दिस और दिस डज नॉट गेट्स ब्रोकन, आई वोंट बी डूइंग एनी एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, सो अगर ये निकलता है देन व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, मैंने जो आपको बताया कि ये पी को मैं शिफ्ट कर दूंगा 500 पे. ओके, और अगर ये डाउन साइड अगर ये होता है तो फिर मैं इस सी को शिफ्ट कर दूंगा 50 पॉइंट्स नीचे. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ आई विल प्ले, एंड दिस इज नॉट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 11K फॉर नाउ. बाय द वे, दिस 8K इज फ्रॉम दिस क्रूड ऑयल ट्रेड, and the rest one means like 2K 3K like that, this is from this trading. Okay, so I will keep you updated, just be with me. Okay, so time is 9:50 and as of now the running profit is 6K, almost 5K 6K like that. Okay, हाँ 6K. So मैंने आपको जैसा बताया था कि I will do adjustment only when either this or this gets broken. Okay, and the same I did. Yeah, a few things which I have shifted, not did the adjustment. What are these? फ्रॉम दिस सी मैंने थोड़ा सा इसको 600 पे कन्वर्ट किया है, और फ्रॉम दिस पी 450 आई हैव कन्वर्टेड फ्यू लॉट्स थ्रू दिस, एंड आई हैव मेड अनदर स्ट्रैंगल ऑफ 500 and 600, that is 100 points. Okay, and here this is still running up with 29 lots and this is running with 20 lots. So इसमें मेरा जो है वो क्विक प्रॉफिट निकालने का इंटेंशन है. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ मच, एंड इफ इट कंटिन्यूज, मीन्स निफ्टी कंटिन्यूज टू बी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रेंज, okay, then I will be getting good profit and I will keep on holding this. It's not only with the intention that I will just get something out of it. I might keep on holding it अगर ये इस रेंज पे बना रहा तो. Let's see how till what point it will just keep on being in this range. Let's see. Okay, I will give you update later on. Okay, so a quick update. If you will see, look at the movement in here. Okay, here only when I gave you the update, market was quite sideways. It was ranging in this particular zone, but after then this crash has happened and after then it is going up. So in this whole zone, what happened, from a MTM of 14K, means 6-7K positive, 14 or 15, I went till break even or 1 or 2K negative. Yeah, so and there I have done few adjustments. These adjustments are this one. Now I have changed the strangle to 17600C and 17450P. Okay, and now I will hold into it. I will hold this only, and because of the thing that premium here is something like 13 and 14. Okay, and out of this 3 minus means 11 point 12 point is what I will be getting from this if I will keep on holding this. Obviously I have some adjustment points also, not in this term. Okay, means where the price will go and nothing like that. In the term of premiums, I have kept the SL. Wait, let me show you the SL. I have kept the SL for both of these as 11.4. Okay, and as and when any one of them will hit 11.4 like that, I will shift that particular strike to one strike above. Okay, this is the adjustment point for now, and let's see how much decay I will get from here. But market has just saw me this thing, and this is really something which spiked the premium a lot. Okay, let me show you something. Here I have taken entry in this, and this got me SL at 16.4, and after then it went till 24-25. Okay, and the same happened with 450. Here also I got in a SL, because of that only this is just showing like this one. And yeah, that's all as a follow for now. I will give you a follow up later on. Okay, then a quick update. Time is 11:40, and as of now, if you'll see, the position is running quite still quite silent. Okay, this move now. Wait a while. This move which came here, yeah, this move I'm talking, it has actually dented me a bit, means I was sitting in a profit of 7k like that, and after then this fall has hit my put SL, and after then my call SL also got hit. So in this way I've just got rid of all my profits here, and after then I have taken a new position. और उसमें हुआ क्या, what happened there कि now the decay is not happening that much as of now. It will happen, obviously this is Thursday, so it will happen, but it is not happening for now. So as time is 11:40, so I think now the decay will start happening from here. And what is the adjustment point for me? See, first adjustment point is that this C is trading at 7 rupees. Okay, I have to keep the SL at 9.4, but what I'm thinking that I will trail the SL, I will increase the SL from here, and what I will be doing, I will be adding on to 17500 P, and I will make a strangle of 17600 C and 7500 P. Right now only, not now. Wait, let me batata hu. As when it break this thing, this high, then I will be adding to that a strangle, and this strangle I will keep on having this 450 and 650. Okay, so this is how I am planning for the trade for now. So I will give you a follow up later on. Okay then, quick update. Time is 12:47, and as of now the running profit is 9k, 10k like that. Okay, so let's see. As of now, if you will see, I have done few adjustment, and this is the only way. 10k plus is the profit right now. And अभी भी what I have done, wait, मैंने 17600 और 550 का P सेल किया था. ओके, और मैंने ये स्ट्रैंगल बनाया था, ये 50 पॉइंट्स का स्ट्रैंगल मैंने क्रिएट करा था व्हेन इट वाज ट्रेडिंग राइट हियर. ओके, और अभी फिलहाल वो ऊपर गया था, एंड हियर आई वाज स्टिल हैविंग प्रॉफिट बिकॉज ऑफ वन थिंग, दैट इज एसएल वाज नॉट गेटिंग हिट. ओके, वेट अ व्हाइल, जस्ट okay, so I have trailed the SL in this. Okay, it might give me a SL hit because the movement, see, I always afraid of one thing, when market is continuously going up, it can take a very big downside move, okay, in a single candle or two candle at max. Okay, and that is the reason always try to trail your SL. Like, look at here, what is happening at a point of time. Just now I was up by 18k, and now it is, so the MTM fluctuation is quite normal till the point you are in the trade, right? So we should not watch this, we should just watch the process, means where we have to do the adjustment, what all adjustment we have to do. We should have plan A, plan B, everything ready, right? For example, right here, what my plan A and plan B, I'm just telling you for now. Plan A, see, as in when I will get a hit anywhere, here or here, okay, if I'll get a hit in any of them, then I will shift from 17550 to 17500 P अगर इसमें ऐसे हिट हुआ तो, और अगर 17600 C पे अगर ऐसे हिट होता है, so then I will trail it to this one. I will switch it to this one, 17650. Okay, this is the adjustment point for me for now. So let's see, and these are the SL which I have just kept. Wait a minute, yeah, these are the SLs. Okay, so let's see how much decay I can get from here. Still I can see 8-9 points is what I can capture from here, 7-8 points, and in total I am having 2500 quantity, so you can calculate on that basis. Okay, so I will give you a follow up later on. So quick update, time is 1:26, and as of now the running profit is how much, 16k, 17k like that. So let's see how much decay I can get from here. By the way, if you will see, I am sitting in a very narrow strangle of just 50 points, 550 and 600. Okay, so the stop loss of them is right now, wait a while, as far as I remember 13.4 something like that. Wait a while, let me check. Okay, so the SL right now is there, which I'm okay, to some extent now it has been okay. So now I have tailed the SL, and the SL now is 13.2. okay, and now I will keep on holding this till the point I will get a conviction कि okay, I have to trail this, switch this position to some other strike. अगर अभी आप देखोगे तो currently Nifty is trading at 17,582. okay, so at the between of these triangle, okay, 17,575 is the middle of this, so it is trading right there only. So if it cross this thing, then I will trail the SL, or if this will cross this thing, then I will trail the SL. Otherwise I will keep on holding this. Okay, the way it is right now. and I don't think there is anything else to talk about. Okay, and running profit is just 16k, 15k, 14k, like that. Okay, I will give you a follow up later on. Okay then, a quick update. Time is 2:08, and as of now the running profit is 16k, 17k, like that. At a point of time it was up by 18, 19k. Okay, so still if you will see, the premium left is somewhere around 4.5 something. In total it is 6 rupees, but out of that 2 rupees will be gone. Then 4 rupees is what I will collect from here. So if we'll calculate the 4 rupees from here, then it comes somewhere around how much 12, 13k extra. So I'm not looking for a big target today. Although I was expecting a good target, but what happened ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Starting what happened, till 1 o'clock I was not in a good profit. I was just 6k, 7k, like that. Okay, so and after then only I started getting profit, and it happens cause of the SL which I got hit. I got many SLs hit today. Okay, which I can't. Yeah, here also. No, sorry. These are the cancelled order. There are many orders where we got where I got SL. I don't know how to check it. Yeah. So इसके कारण क्या हुआ, एज एन व्हेन आई एम इन अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10k, 12k, like that, वो SL हिट होता था और 5, 6k, 7k चला जाता था. And the same kept on happening till 1 o'clock. Okay, and that is the reason till 1 o'clock I didn't get the benefits of good premium decay which happens in the first half, right? So in the second half only I am getting a good some good decay, and from here also I am expecting a good decay. As of now, from here if you'll see, market is at 17,600, right? So exactly 100 point of a strangle I am holding, and it is in the middle of it. So let's see whether I can capture all these points or not, and I will try to capture a little more also. Why? How? First of all, I will try to buy some nearby, put some more, so that I will get some extra margin, और उससे मैं थोड़ा क्वांटिटी ऐड ऑन करूंगा. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, इफ मार्केट गोज टू 625 और 620 और 580 और 575, like that, then I will make the strangle of 50 points. Okay, after then. So this is how I will trade today, and how I will collect good premiums from now on. Okay, so that's all as follow up. I will give you a follow up later on at the end of the day, I guess now. Okay, just be with me. Okay, a quick update. Time is 3:06, and this is more or less the final update. Okay, so here what happened, मतलब कि अभी this profit could have been 54k, 55k, like that, but what happened मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. मेरा यहाँ पे एक SL हिट हो गया और मैं 56 स्लॉट्स यहाँ पे कट गया 5.3 के प्राइस पे. जब मैंने इसे दोबारा एंटर करने का कोशिश किया, ये हुआ क्यों, आई वॉज अबाउट टू ट्रेल द SL, बट आई गॉट लिल लेट, और इसके कारण ये हिट हो गया. बट आफ्टर देन व्हेन आई ट्राई टू टेक एंट्री अगेन, I got entry as 2.85. So there is a difference of, you can see it yourself, 2.5 points, right? And this 2.5 points costed me around how much, 10k, 12k, like that. But yeah, can't help it. This is what it is. Okay, and market is continuously going up. It is not giving any chance to me. So at least hold on to my trades. Okay, so more or less 42k for the day, and out of this 8k is from crude, to 36k is what I have earned. 43k. Yeah. So let's see how much I can get now from these pennies. 1 rupees is here, 40 paisa is here. So in total around 1 rupees is what I can capture from here still, and this is equals to 3k, 4k more. Let's see, 45k is what I am looking for. If I get the decay from here, although this is quite nearby to the at the money premium, so I am afraid of it a bit. Okay, so final update. Time is 3:23, and as of now the running profit is 45 something. So this is the final profit. Okay, 35 something, sorry 45 something, and out of these 8k is from crude. So in total I have earned like 37, 38, something like that. So see, there are few mistakes which have been done. One is from my end, and one is the execution part. Okay, so what I did, I could have managed little better in the first half, where I've lost somewhere around 10, 12k. Okay, and after then this was the first mistake. Second one was this one. Wait, let me show you this also. Where it is? Yeah, this one. I got a squad of means I have kept my SL as 5.3, and which got hit, and as when I tried to take entry again in just a matter of 1 minute, I got it at 2.85. I got my fill at 2.85, means a loss of 2.5 points, and with the quantity size I am having, I think I have lost somewhere around 8-9k here also. So in total it could have been a day of 50k plus, but I managed to get just 37k, 38k, like that. And still I would consider it a good day considering the move it was continuous upside move, and this is the point. Wait, let me show you this. This is the point where I got my hit this particular candle, and after then it was actually a fake out, and it got me a very bad price, and then I entry also I got at very bad price, and that costed me 89k. But still in total I managed to get for 37, 38. Okay, I hope you all had a good day, and I hope, first of all, I hope this is the very first video of mine trading live in Nifty. I have done it in crude, but this is for the very first time I am doing in Nifty. I hope you have learned from my analysis and adjustment. Before making any adjustment, I have shared you everything, means what all adjustment I am about to do, everything like that, and I hope you made use of it and you will make use of it. So if you like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.